Are you looking for best tire steps? Tire steps are indispensable tools for anyone who owns a tall vehicle, such as trucks, SUVs, or RVs. They provide safe and convenient access to hard-to-reach areas like roof racks, engine bays, and windshields, making tasks like loading gear, cleaning, or maintenance much easier. In this article, we compare 5 popular tire step models ranging from budget-friendly options to premium designs to help you choose the right product based on your needs. Product number: Power-Build Heavy-Duty Tire Step for Truck. The Power-Build Heavy-Duty Tire Step is a versatile and durable option designed for universal fitment across car, truck, RV, and semi-truck tires. Its robust alloy steel construction supports up to 300 pounds, and the open cheese grater style surface ensures superior grip even in wet or muddy conditions. The folding design makes storage effortless, and its compact dimensions allow it to fit behind a seat or in a storage bin. With a platform size of 8.75 by 21.75 inches, it provides ample space for comfortable footing during use. In testing, the Power-Built Heavy-Duty Tire Step performed exceptionally well in terms of stability and grip. The adjustable design accommodated various tire sizes up to 12 inches in depth, making it suitable for a wide range of vehicles. Users appreciated its rugged build and reliable safety features, but some noted that its weight, 10.58 pounds, might be slightly cumbersome for frequent transport. This model is ideal for users who prioritize durability and all-weather performance. Product 2. WinTools Adjustable Folding Tire Step for Truck SUV. The WinTools Adjustable Folding Tire Step is the most budget-friendly option in this lineup, priced at just $39. Despite its affordability, it offers solid features, such as a heavy-duty metal frame with a black powder-coated finish and adjustable height and width settings to fit tires up to 12 inches. Rubber stoppers prevent metal-on-metal friction, ensuring safe and scratch-free use. Its folding design allows for convenient storage, making it a practical choice for occasional users. During testing, the WinTools Tire Step demonstrated adequate stability and ease of use. However, its construction felt slightly less robust compared to higher-priced models, and the non-slip surface was less effective in wet conditions. While it performs well for light-duty tasks like cleaning or loading roof racks, it may not be ideal for frequent or heavy-duty use. This product is best suited for budget-conscious consumers who need a simple, functional tire step for occasional use. Product 3. Folding Heavy-Duty Tire Step for Truck. The Dickmick Folding Heavy-Duty Tire Step offers a universal fit for tires ranging from 10.2 to 14.4 inches in width and supports up to 300 pounds. Its shark jaw-shaped non-slip surface provides excellent traction, and the adjustable design allows for customization based on tire size and height. The folding feature ensures easy storage, while its lightweight build, 10.28 pounds, enhances portability. In our tests, the Dickmick Tire Step stood out for its stability and user-friendly adjustability. The shark jaw-shaped surface provided reliable grip, even in challenging conditions. However, the build quality felt slightly less premium than higher-end models, and its design might not appeal to users seeking a more refined aesthetic. This model is a strong contender for users who need a versatile and portable tire step at a mid-range price point. Product more. Tire Step for Truck Upgraded. The Gedlex Tire Step is a robust option with a maximum load capacity of 350 pounds, making it suitable for heavy-duty use. Its solid steel frame features a sawtooth textured non-slip surface for enhanced safety. The inclusion of reflective warning tape and rubber screws to prevent tire scratches are thoughtful upgrades. Additionally, it folds flat for storage and comes with a locking bracket and lanyard for added convenience. The Gedlex Tire Step excelled in stability and safety during testing. The reflective tape improved visibility in low light conditions, and the extra crossbar added noticeable stability. However, its heavier weight, 14.87 pounds, might deter users who prioritize portability. This product is ideal for users who need a durable and safe tire step for frequent or heavy-duty applications. Product 5. Power-built double platform truck tire step. The Power-built double platform truck tire step is the premium option in this lineup, priced at $170.95. Its innovative dual-platform design doubles the usable surface area, making it ideal for larger vehicles or tasks requiring more space. The alligator tooth non-slip surface and grip tape ensure maximum safety, while the locking pins secure the step to the tire for repeated use. Despite its size, the folding design allows for compact storage. In testing, the Power-built double platform tire step delivered unparalleled stability and functionality. Its 350-pound weight capacity and dual platform design make it suitable for demanding tasks. However, its significant weight, 33.8 pounds, and higher price may limit its appeal to casual users. This model is best suited for professionals or users who require a premium, heavy-duty solution.